go. And we'll let that dry. Okay, now that our baby plaque has dried a little bit, we're ready to put it on our cake. And I've marked the front of the cake just with a little dot of frosting on the board. I can wipe it off. After spinning the cake around, trying to find a good spot, I couldn't find any I was happy with, but that's just me. I am going to actually attach this. If you were doing this for where you want to remove it later on, wait until you get to the site and then just place it on top. But since I'm going to travel with it and they're not saving the top, we're just going to go ahead and put it on with the front of the baby facing the front. Okay. Okay. There you have your baby shower Lambeth cake.